Whatever may happen, AI could come, everything could come. But if you have social capital and strong relationships, that's going to help you. That's how human DNA is wired in that way. And I also feel that we don't look at, though we use the word called, organizations are complex, living, adaptive systems, which we all agree. But to me, the complex social interactions people have within an organization and visualizing that is one way of seeing this complex, adaptive living system. And by seeing that, we could generate insights about that system. Which is, in fact, for people who do not know much about social network analysis, if you have ever read the book Tipping Point by Malcolm Gladwell, that book is all about social networks and the roles we play in those social networks. In that way. So there is an increased interest on that to understand organizations, not just from an X-ray perspective, but from an ultrasound perspective, which is social networks. At the same time, we need to juxtapose with the other where we are running around and there are too many activity happening. So all we look for is something that reduces my thinking load than something so interesting like networks and figuring out how emergence happen. For the whole concept of emergence is they are not properties of a particle part, but when parts interact with each other, there is something called an emergence, which is happening.
Correct.
So conceptually, people are interested, and it can add a lot of value. Is that it also requires some level of intuitive uh, sense of going deeper. That way. But it's a fascinating field, and that's